Hello and welcome back to another video where I try another leather product and rate it from 1 to 10. So today I am going to be working on a piece of Moreland, which is from our Austin section, and I'm using the Bic 1 cleaner. And if you would like to know more of that, then watch the video from last week where I reviewed that using a piece of Emma. And I'm just going to quickly clean this piece of leather. It has a little bit of dirt on it, not very much, it's not extremely dirty, but I'm just going to quickly clean this, and then we'll actually get to the product that I'm going to review today, which is going to be Doc Martens Leather Balm, I believe is what we're going to be using today on this one. So I'm going to wipe it off, and then over to my right I have a space heater set to pretty warm, and so I'm going to put it about a foot away from it. As you can see, black dye generally comes off, so just be aware of that. It's totally okay. It's not going to hurt it. It's not going to fade the leather. It's going to be completely fine. And yeah, so I'm going to let this dry, and then when it comes back you'll see that it looks totally fine and it looks cleaner than it was. So this is a piece of remnant leather, so it's not completely perfect. You can see stuff in the right hand side there. That's some sort of markings. And so the first product I'm going to use is the Phoebing's 4-Way Care, and I touched on this in the last video. Phoebing's 4-Way Care gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It does exactly what it says it's going to do, and I've never been disappointed with it. And after you use the Bic 1 cleaner, you're supposed to use their conditioner. However, when I bought the Bic 1 cleaner, they did not have conditioner, so I knew that Phoebing's 4-Way Care was dependable, and it's kind of a lotion type. It's a lotion type conditioner, so I put that on there. It does not have a lot of waxes in it, and that's one of the reasons why I really like it. I feel like a conditioner should not have a lot of wax in it, because I want the leather to absorb it and be supple, and I really feel like this product does a great job doing that. Now, the Austin leather does have a fair amount of wax and tallow in it already, so there's only so much penetration that this product is going to be able to do. However, I feel like the waxes and the tallows, because they were warmed up with the space heater, they make the leather a little more willing to receive the conditioner, so it ends up working really well. And as you can see, I just load it up with a nice healthy layer. More black came off. That's normal. Don't be alarmed. And I did let it dry between, and now we're going to use the Doc Martens Wonder Balm. And I have had this can for quite some time, and it comes with a little sponge on the top, and then you pull out this little tray, and then you can see the product inside. And you do not need a lot of this. Okay, a little bit goes a long way. And you're just going to rub it in. Rub it all across the surface, and don't overdo this step, okay? Do not overdo it. You will have so much product on there, you will not be able to buff it, and you just won't be happy, okay? Just trust me on this. I have used this product for very, very, very long time, and years, like many years, and every single time I always get too much. I always do it, and you'll know you have too much. I'll show you in a minute. But right now I'm just rubbing in whatever's on that sponge and just trying to get a nice even coat. And just remember that. Always do an even coat over the entire surface. And it's really hard to be disappointed that way. So the Phoebing's 4-Way Care is a 10 out of 10 for sure. The Wonder Balm here, I'm going to give it a, let's see. It doesn't have a bad smell, okay? So it's nice. It buffs out nicely, as you can see right here where I buff it with a horsehair brush. The way you know you have too much product on is if you touch it with your fingers and there's still fingerprints left. So if there's fingerprints left on the leather, then you need to keep, see that? See that? You need to keep upping. So yeah, Wonder Balm. I'm gonna give that one a 9 out of 10. I think it's a really great product. A little goes a long way. I think you get your money's worth with it. It doesn't have an offensive odor, and it's really easy to work with. Thanks again for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Have a great day.